This is a quick demonstration of how Enfocus Connect can help you pre-flight files from within Adobe Indesign. Using Enfocus Connect you can create custom connector projects. These connectors can be set up in a way that they will automatically prep your InDesign file and pre-flight it and deliver it to the location of your choice. Here you can see the PDF creation settings, where we can pick from standard Adobe PDF presets, including variable file naming, and most importantly, as we create this PDF file, we can enable pre-flight. Here we can pick from selected actions as well as pre-flight profiles. These actions can be configured by you, or you can pick from this very extensive list of predefined actions which can automate redundant tasks. Let's say you want to add trim marks to your trim box or change color in your file. You can do that using these action lists. For a comprehensive overview of all the actions available, head on over to Enfocus.com. Here you can see the Preflight Profiles, which will save the PDF file in a specific industry standard, making sure that all color management settings are respected, objects are rendered properly, and so on. Notice we are activating the Send Preflight report, and then in the last tab we can set up the delivery of the final pre-flighted file. Keep in mind that this configuration, this setup, only needs to be done one time. Once this is set up, the operator will be able to use this connector from within the application to generate a pre-flighted PDF file. Here, we want to deliver this in a local folder, as well as send an email to one of the stakeholders. Once these settings are defined, we can create the connector, as you can see here. And then in Adobe InDesign, we can generate the pre-flighted PDF file by using the Export to connector. For this demonstration, we'll only generate a PDF for the first page. Notice how the job ticket is asking me for some additional input, such as the target print method, the color, and the bleed. And after specifying this, I can submit this. Once the pre-flight is done, the system generated a report which I can open, inspect, and accept and continue my workflow. Obviously, you can also decide to automatically continue the workflow without pausing to inspect this report. Here we can see that the pre-flight fixed 8 problem areas and generated 3 warnings. If I accept this and continue, the final files will now be delivered to the output location of my choice, which in my case was the ESCO preflighted folder. In here, we will find the report, the preflighted PDF file, as well as a short XML file containing the parameters. And as you can see, here is the email